What if the future of warfare isn't just about boots on the ground and fighter jets in the sky? What if it's about drones, not just any drones, but kamikaze drones? As we delve into this topic, consider the recent attacks on Ukraine, where these unmanned, explosive-laden specters of the sky have made an alarming debut. The recent attacks on Ukraine provide a chilling preview of this future. The recent attacks on Ukraine were not carried out by traditional warplanes, but by swarms of Iranian-made kamikaze drones. These unmanned flying machines, equipped with explosives, detonate upon reaching their targets. While neither Russia nor Iran have officially confirmed their involvement, evidence suggests that the Shahed 136 kamikaze drones, produced by Iran's state-owned arms company Hesa, have been in use since August. These drones possess a significant range between 1,000 and 2,000 kilometers, allowing them to be remotely controlled from Russian bases to targets deep within Ukraine. With a wingspan of 2.5 meters and the ability to fly at over 185 kilometers per hour, they're a force to be reckoned with. Despite not being as technologically advanced as the kamikaze drones produced by the United States, Israel, or Turkey, the Iranian drones are both cost-effective and efficient. They operate via GPS coordination, which, while not as precise as the camera-controlled American Switchblade drones, enables them to cover much larger distances. These drones, measuring around 3.5 meters and weighing approximately 200 kilograms, are significantly larger than their American counterparts. Yet their relatively simple construction from spare parts enables Iran to produce them, despite enduring harsh sanctions for decades. Dubbed the flying lawnmowers of death by the local population, a reference to the deafening noise generated by their old-fashioned propeller engines, these drones represent a new and potentially game-changing element in warfare. They are able to fly low and thus more easily bypass traditional air defense systems. Their affordability and ability to be deployed in swarms pose a significant challenge for air defense systems. This is the first time we have seen this type of drone being used in a major conflict, and their impact is undeniable. Andreas Gray, a researcher of drone warfare, predicts that kamikaze drones will become a common sight in future wars due to their cost-effectiveness and ability to make a difference on the battlefield. These drones, dubbed the flying lawnmowers of death, represent a new and potentially game-changing element in warfare. A military expert has weighed in on this development, predicting that kamikaze drones will become a common feature in future wars. The sheer effectiveness of these drones is undeniably a game-changer. With the power to rain down destruction from thousands of kilometers away, they present significant challenges to traditional air defenses. Unlike the sophisticated drones of the United States, Israel, and Turkey, these Iranian-made machines may not boast high-end technology, yet their effectiveness lies in their simplicity. Assistant Professor Andreas Gray from the Danish Defense Academy, who specializes in drone warfare, points out that these kamikaze drones are reminiscent of missiles with wings, remotely controlled over vast areas. They fly low, slipping under radar detection and bypassing the opponent's air defense system. Controlled via GPS coordination, they might not hit with the precision of camera-controlled drones, but they certainly can cover much greater distances. What makes these drones a potential mainstay of future warfare is their cost-effectiveness. Built from relatively simple spare parts, they are remarkably cheap to manufacture. Despite their size and weight, these drones, dubbed as the flying lawnmowers of death by the local populace, are proving to be a force to be reckoned with. Professor Gray highlights the ability of these drones to work in swarms, presenting a formidable challenge for any air defense. The prospect of these drones being deployed en masse in future conflicts is a very real one, given their low production cost and the tactical advantage they offer. But what does this mean for the future of warfare? It signifies a shift towards remote-controlled attacks, reducing the need for direct human involvement on the battlefield. This shift presents a fascinating yet unnerving paradigm, where warfare becomes a matter of pressing buttons in a command center, thousands of kilometers away from the battlefield. With the advent of kamikaze drones, the future of warfare may be more about remote control and less about direct human involvement, a prospect with both fascinating and frightening implications. The use of kamikaze drones in warfare has opened up a new realm of possibilities and a host of terrifying prospects. Imagine a battlefield teeming with drones operating autonomously without the need for human intervention. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? These drones, cheap to produce and capable of flying under the radar, could potentially be used in swarms, overwhelming even the most advanced defense systems. And the ethical considerations are staggering. What happens when machines devoid of human empathy and judgment become the arbiters of life and death? As we move into this new era of warfare, we must ask ourselves, are we prepared for the challenges and consequences that come with it?